Hi guys, how's everyone today? Today we got a 2006 Toyota Prius on our hands, and it has a passenger side mirror is broken, and we're not gonna replace the whole assembly. What we are going to do is replace the glass, which I purchased from our local Toyota dealer for approximately $50, and it's pretty simple to do, so just stay tuned to this video. So here's a look at our passenger side mirror. As you can see, it's broken, and so here's our replacement passenger side glass. You can purchase this from your local dealership for $50, and we're gonna go ahead and replace this to our new one. And upon doing so, what you want to do is you want to push this back, and you can put a flat screwdriver on the bottom here and just kind of pry it out like so. With care though, you don't want to go too aggressively, because you don't want to break the clips which you're going to be needing for the replacement mirror. So hold the mirror from the top like so, and you want to have a fair size flathead screwdriver which you put on the bottom of the mirror, and just kind of slowly but surely, with enough force to push the mirror out from the clips, and it should just come out pretty easily. And you want to go ahead and remove these two wires. You can see the clips here on the back of the mirror, and these are simply going to be coming off if you put enough pressure from the bottom with your flathead screwdriver. And these clips come out once you push this down. So that's the old mirror. Here's our new mirror, our replacement mirror. And what you want to do is you want to put the wires back like they were before. So our wires are in, and we're just going to align it. And there we go, guys. All you had to do is align the two clips on the top, and then just gently pushing in towards the middle. And guys, thanks for watching another successful tutorial on this 2006 Toyota Prius. And you guys don't have to spend a couple of $100 replacing the whole assembly. As you can see, we just replaced the mirror itself, which was only $50. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.